everyone, you are welcome once again to my kitchen. In today's cooking series, I will be making the catfish pepper soup with yam. Wow! First of all, I want to add my cube into the boiling water. It's just a quick video. I'm making this video under 10 minutes now. So I'm adding salt to it, a little salt. Then I'm adding a little onion to boil my catfish. I'm adding the catfish. It's just a quick video, so just watch me. I don't have much to say. Just it's an easy cook catfish pepper soup and yam, white yam. So this one is the crayfish. I want to. Oh, this thing is this too small. I'm going to wash it and wash it. So take out adding some water to it so that if there's any sand inside, it will come back. Okay, so this is I will be adding some pepper to it, spicy pepper. My kids are eating, so I'm adding to make it just little, not too much. Okay. This is a quick video anyway. This is the yam. I will allow the fish to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I will add the yam to it. So just hold on. Wow! So now it's just 2 minutes, and I'm going to be adding the yam into the pot so that everything will cook together. It's just a quick video when the fish is not too hard. It just blends together. Wow. And I don't want my fish to scatter. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the pepper soup spicy. This is the one I'm using. So I'll be adding the spicy into it. Then cover it to cook. Then I'm done. Just a quick video. Okay, so see you guys. Wow, so right now I'm going to check my kodon, my catfish pepper soup, if it's ready. So it's not yet ready because the yam is still hard, but it's almost ready. And I want to take out this fish because I don't want the fish to scatter. The fish is cooked. Let me just take this ones out because I don't want them to break. Wow, it's overcooked. See, it is almost wanted to scatter soil. Wow. So now I can turn this yam very well. The yam is almost ready. It's almost ready. So I just want to have a taste of it and see how we have a taste. So I want to have a taste and see if everything is okay. Wow. So delicious. Wow. So I think after 2 minutes we'll be done. It's almost ready. So let's just for 2 minutes we are done. Yeah. Wow. So now I'm going to my yam curry. The yam is okay. I want to put up my gas. Yeah, as you can see, without being told, it's ready. Just want to dish it down. Just want to set the yam, dish it in plates, then we are done for today. This is my catfish pepper soup. It's rained all day today, so we just need something like this to chill down, to cool the weather. So that's why I'm preparing this. Oh, I'll be adding my fish too. Don't want this fish to scatter, please. That's why I just take it outside. That's why I take it out to. I don't want it to scatter. Don't want it to scatter. Wow. So this is my yam and catfish pepper soup. I think I'll be having the head or something. Let me just dish it everything so that you guys will see it. That's what I prepared today. Okay, pepper soup. So please, if you are joining me for today and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe. Press that notification bell to get notice of any new video I upload, and always drop a nice comment for me whenever you watch my video. Feel free to share my video with your friends and family. Okay, whenever you watch my video, just feel free to share it with your friends and family. Wow, this is my dish. It's ready. Just want to set it the way it will look attractive. Wow. Pepper soup. My catfish pepper soup. I'm done. So see you next time in my next video. Bye.